Hello, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is how to do a thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconnect your Panasonic Fire TV to Wi-Fi or your Wi-Fi network. If you've just turned your TV on and found that suddenly you've got no signal and none of your apps or functions or even the home screen looks a bit bland, it's probably because it's dropped out of Wi-Fi. So here's how you do it. Right, on your home screen, go across to the settings and then scroll down until you get to Network, which is in the far right. Select OK, and here you should see a bunch of different wireless networks that you want to connect to. Now it's important at this point to check your wireless router is plugged in, turned on and broadcasting a wireless network. A good way to check this is to check your Wi-Fi signal is connected on something like your phone first. Next, select the network that you want to connect to, and then you'll need your Wi-Fi password. Now, if you don't already know your Wi-Fi password off by heart, or you haven't actually changed it through the admin settings, check the bottom of your modem and it should have your original Wi-Fi password on there. So once you've found your Wi-Fi password, then type it in. There's also an option on your TV to show and hide your password. So it's a good idea to check this to make sure that you've typed it in correctly before you hit go. Then hit play to connect. And you can also save your Wi-Fi passwords to your Amazon account. Cool, and there you have it, now we're reconnected. So when you press the home button, you should start to see all your apps and all your content start to pop up again, and your TV will start to function as it always does. And there you have it. If you are looking for more information, please check out Panasonic.com or check out some of our other how-to videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching, see you next time.